These honey chicken just looking so delicious. Continue to watch, guys, if you want to know how to make these lovely chicken. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jody cooking. Today guys, I'm gonna make you guys some chili honey baked chicken. These are all my seasoning that I'll be using. I'll be using chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, everyday seasoning, paprika, ginger powder, garlic powder, black pepper, pimento seed, and I'm also gonna use a chicken stock cube, and that's the chili seed that I'll be using, chili crushed. So first thing I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna season my chicken. So I'm using 1 spoonful of the paprika and 1 spoonful of the everyday seasoning, 1 spoonful of the chicken seasoning, and 1 spoonful of the all-purpose seasoning, and 1 spoonful of the ginger powder. That's what gonna make it have a nice flavor, the ginger powder. And here I have the black pepper and the garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoonful. And that's my chicken stock cube. And this is my chili seed. It's 2 spoonful. And I'm also gonna add some vegetable oil just for it to moist. And I'm gonna add just a pinch of salt, guys, not a lot. And I'm also gonna add some ketchup to it, not a lot, around 2 spoonfuls. And I'm gonna also add some honey to it, just a tiny bit. So I'm just gonna take my hands, guys, and just massage my chicken. Just make sure all your meat is all covered with that seasoning. That's very important. So my chicken is all seasoning, guys, and this is how it look. Guys, you can always leave it for overnight in the fridge to marinate, but I won't be doing that today, so I'm just gonna cook it now. So here I have a tray right here, guys. What I did, I just sprinkle it with some coconut oil. So I'm just gonna transfer my chicken in the tray. So that sauce, guys, that left back from my chicken, I'm not gonna pour it on my chicken. I'm just gonna leave it, because this is the sauce I'm gonna use for my glaze. So here's my chicken. It's all ready to go into the oven. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna sprinkle some honey on top of it. Look at that, guys. It's looking so nice and so lovely already. So I'm just gonna put it in my oven, guys, on 150 degrees for 30 minutes. Hi guys, so I just removed my chicken from the oven, and this is how it look. Guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this excess gravy from it. As you can see, all that gravy is gone from it. So I'm just gonna turn it. So when I turn it, guys, I'm gonna put it back in the oven for 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna make my glaze. Hi guys, so here I have a pot on the stove because I'm gonna make my glaze. So first thing I'm just gonna add some butter. I'm just gonna wait for it to melt. I add at least half a stick of butter. Then I'm gonna add some brown sugar. That's 4 spoons of brown sugar. Then I'm gonna add my honey. I'm gonna just stir it. I'm also gonna add 1 spoon of ginger powder and 1 spoonful of all-purpose seasoning and 1 teaspoonful of black pepper. And I'm gonna also add some chili seed in there also. That's around a teaspoonful. Then just stir it. And I'm also gonna add just a tiny bit of ketchup, guys, not a lot. That's around half a spoonful. Then just stir it. And I'm gonna add just 1 teaspoon of paprika. And you can always taste it, guys, to see if it need any more honey or if you need any more sugar. So I'm just gonna allow it to come to a boil, guys, until it get really sticky. So my glaze is all finished, guys, and this is how it looks. This is exactly how it should look, all thick and sticky. So that's my chicken there, guys. So I'm just gonna pour my glaze on top of the chicken. Then I'm just gonna take my brush and just brush it just like this. Just make sure all of it is all covered with the glaze. Guys, I'm telling you, this smelling so nice, so lovely. It smells so good, guys. Really, really good. That ginger, wow, it's everything. Also, guys, I'm not gonna fully close my oven. I'm just gonna close my oven just a tiny bit because I don't want the chicken to boil. I want it to be able to have a nice glaze, so I won't close my oven. Just make sure also, guys, you cover both sides of the chicken with the glaze. So I'm just gonna put it back in the oven, guys, for 10 minutes. Hi guys, so my onion chili chicken is all finished and this is how it look. I'm having it with rice and peas. And I hope you guys do enjoy this video. I thank you all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for many other videos. Until next time, bye.